Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Escovitch sauce. Now just before we go into the video, please remember when you watch my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment to introduce yourself and subscribe as well. Now let's go straight into the video. I'm going to start preparing for the Escovitch sauce. Now these are my ingredients. I have a couple carrots. I have a green, a red and yellow bell peppers. I have 3 medium onions and I hope I'm not putting too much, maybe I'll probably just use 2. I have some scotch bonnet pepper here. These are very hot. Now very important, I've already washed these peppers, I've washed everything. Very important that you wash your vegetables. I also have some brown sugar, some salt, some black pepper and some vinegar as well. Cut up the vegetables and put them aside. And then once the fish is finished fried, I'll show you how to make the Escovitch sauce. I'm gonna go ahead now and start to make my Escovitch sauce. So first, I'm gonna add some vinegar in the pot. A half a cup of vinegar. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this as well. I'm happy with this at present, so I'm going to remove this now and put it aside, let it cool. Right, so this is my pan with some oil. What I've done is to reuse some of the oil that I used to fry the fish, just a few spoonfuls in the pot so that I can saute my vegetables. So I'm just going to add all the vegetables to this now. And I'm gonna saute this for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Mix everything nicely together. What I'm gonna do is just to add all of this on this now. And just allow it to cool. Once it's cooled down, not completely cool, but I'll just give it a few minutes. Wow, this smells really nice. Then I'll add it to the fish